Hi friends, today we are taking a look at a 2010 Ford Fiesta ZXi Diesel 1.4. This is a Brunello red color Fiesta. The color looks really beautiful. It's got all four power windows, power steering, alloy wheels, ABS, electric side mirrors, rear parking camera, leather finish seat covers, and a full insurance. The tires are just about 5,000 kilometers used. We are taking a walk around of the vehicle right now. So we look at the exteriors of the car right now, and the car looks absolutely beautiful. Uh, Minor scratches here and there, which is like acceptable for a 10-year-old sedan. There's a rear spoiler which looks really sporty on the car. The alloy wheels also look quite sporty. The rear tail lamps are all intact, no damages to the tail lamps. So this is how the exteriors of the car look like. Now this is a close-up view of the exterior, so you know how the car is. Any kind of damage on the body would be clearly visible on this video. Now this is a deal I would say is just as a price of a hatchback, you get a diesel sedan. Something a genuine buyer would not like to miss at all. The headlamps are also clear, no damages to the headlamps as well. Even the fog lamps have no moisture retention or any kind of damage on them. Let's go closer to the car, take a look at the tires first. So these are the tires. They're almost 85% grip of tires. Now I'll take you inside the car. These are the interiors of the vehicle. A nice sporty steering wheel. That's the switch for headlamps. These are the four power window switches. This is the electric ORVM joystick. These are black leather finish seats. The seat covers are almost new, so you don't have to replace the seat covers. This is a manual transmission, 1.4 liter diesel turbo engine. It drives around 15 to 16 kilometers in heavy traffic city conditions and about 21-22 kilometers on highways. We will now take the car for a spin. Okay, so I have now turned on the engine, sitting inside the car right now. So the engine is quite silent, not noisy, I would say, and the air conditioning is working absolutely fine. There's this Pioneer music system which comes with USB and aux and Bluetooth, so you can also connect your phone and take calls on it. There's also a rear parking camera for which there's a screen which is provided here. So this is the screen. I have seen that there's a minor patch on the screen which is which distorts the resolution or the display. So that I suppose you can bear with, or you can replace it. This would cost you around 1400 rupees to change the screen. All four power windows are working fine. The electric mirrors are working fine, and the music system plays well too. You can take a look at the roof lining. It's absolutely clean. The interiors are clean. There's this fabric that comes from the factory on the door trim, which you can have replaced with a black leather strip if you want. Overall, a neat and clean car. This is the reading lamp which is broken. the buyer can replace it. This costs about 250 rupees. These are the front cabin lights. We will now take this car for a spin and see how it goes. So this has done about 93,000 kilometers as on date. It's a diesel car with a turbocharger, so I am assuming that the pickup of the car should be wonderful. It's a 1.4 liter engine, the same engine that comes in a Ford Figo as well. The car is driving really nice and firm. The suspension quality I have always liked of Ford. I mean, if you drive a Honda City, you drive a Suzuki vehicle, you would realize that the car jumps at the speed of 60 on a speed breaker, but Ford never does that. It's pretty stable, so it's driving pretty fast, quite powerful and thrilling to drive on high speeds. You're almost at the speed of 80, which is such a short span, so the car is really effectively powerful and fun to drive, I must say. The suspension quality, as I mentioned, is excellent. There's no noise at all, no plastic fiber noise at all in the car. The steering is quite responsive and smooth. There's no trouble with the steering wheel as well. Overall, a very good deal for a price of a Swift, Ritz, Figo, Beat, or any such hatchback in diesel that you can buy. This is priced at 2,37,000 rupees only. You can reach me on 9768-001-006. The car is available for inspection at Navi Mumbai, Nerul, plot number 37, Kaneri CHS, Sector 90, near Gurudwara. I'm pretty impressed by the drive quality of the vehicle. There is absolutely no noise, no cabin noise at all in the car. Usually you get such refined quality only in a German machine. This being an American, it's still doing great. The power, performance, pickup, the drive quality, the interior plastic quality, all is just fabulous. Come for a test drive and you will know what we're talking about. Thanks for watching this. This was on Convoy Cars that you've seen.